the frogs. So now all I have to do is put them on the fryer.
You're putting them in the fryer?
Mm-hmm.
How long are they going to cook in the fryer?
Maybe 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. What about after? What do you do after you fry them?
I'm gonna season them.
With what?
You see.
Oh, you gotta tell them now because we're gonna run out of time.
I'm gonna see. Wait, are you?
All right, what are you seasoning them with?
Pepper.
You're seasoning it with pepper.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we're gonna shake on the pepper. Then we're just gonna move them around.
In the fryer.
Yeah, and then just gonna move a little bit more separated so they don't stick together.
Okay. That's very important that
And
they don't
then-
stick.
Put one in the middle so it gets smoky. Then put one on. Then put them all on where. Then put the frogs on to fry them where all the fire is.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
And then what we're going to do is okay. We're gonna season them again with seasoning salt. I gotta get
Seasoning salt going on.
yeah.
All right.
And then some cayenne pepper.
Okay.
Going to that on. And then I'm gonna add some normal salt. And then I'm gonna add some chili pepper. And then some, let's see here.
All right, running out of time.
Crinkle clay. Then more
More pepper. All right. Are they ready to eat?
Yeah. Ready?
Excellent. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.